Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your first stream on Twitch. Now there are a few things that you have to do before you start streaming, and we're going to go through them. So the first thing you want to do, if you haven't already, is go to twitch.tv and go to sign up to make an account. You'll go through the account creation process, and then you'll want to use a streaming application. I personally use Streamlabs, but there is OBS and there's a few other ones as well. So you'll want to go to streamlabs.com. These all will be in the links below in the description, so you'll want to go and download that as well. So another thing that you're going to want to do before streaming is definitely check your network speed, and what you're going to really want to focus on is what the upload speed is going to be. So you can use speedtest.net. They do also have an app for the Windows App Store. So like I said, this is the number that you're really going to want to be focusing on, is the upload speed, and as you see, mine is 9.57. So once you have Streamlabs up and running, it's going to run you through a setup process where you're going to be able to connect accounts such as your Twitch account to it. As well, I will be showing you how to find your stream key. Then they're also going to be allowing you to select different themes that you can use. So find one to your personal liking. You can also search through them up through here as well. So to find your stream key, first you're going to want to log into your Twitch account. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to go to the icon up here and select Creator Dashboard. Once you're in the Creator Dashboard, you're going to go over here to the three lines and go down to Preferences and Channel. Once you get into there, this is going to be your primary stream key for your stream. Now with that, you never want to give that out to someone, or they're going to be able to access your channel and access the stream. Before you start streaming, there are some settings in Streamlabs that you're going to have to change before you start streaming. So you're going to go down here to the settings, and the main ones that you're going to want to change is going to be in the output right here. You're going to want to change the bitrate to whatever you want to stream at. That's going to depend again a lot on your upload speed. Twitch does recommend certain bit rates, which I'll show you in a minute. As well, you're going to want to change the encoder to a hardware if available. I believe it defaults to software. That uses up more CPU power, so definitely go for the hardware option. So the other setting that you're going to want to change is actually down in video. So your base resolution is going to be whatever kind of monitor that you're using. So we're using a 1080 right here. The output is what you're going to want to change, and you're going to want to put that down. For example, I'm using 1280 by 720 if you're going to be streaming in 720. The other thing that you can change in here too is your frames per second. So if you're playing something that's a little bit more fast paced, you're going to want to bump that. I believe it defaults to 30. I have mine set on 60. As well, they're also having game overlays, so that will be like if you want to put your chat in an overlay over your stream, you can enable that as well down here at game overlay. Like I was saying before, Twitch does have basic guidelines that you can check to see what bit rate that you should stream at, and these are it. So for example, like I was saying, I stream at 720 with 60 frames per second. They're saying around 4500, but you can kind of play around with that and see what works best for your internet speed as well as your computer. So by this part, you'll have everything downloaded and your settings the way you want them. Next, we're going to be moving on to the actual scenes and what you're going to be including in each one. Now on this side will be your scenes, and this side will be your sources. So every scene is going to have different sources depending on what you'd like to put into it. So you'll have different scenes, for example, your live scene when you're actually playing, where you can add your camera and any kind of text you'd like. You'll also be having like a be right back kind of screen where when you're taking a break. As well, you can also have an ending scene just to kind of wrap things up, and each one of them will have different text boxes and different sources that you can add into it. To add sources to your scene, what you're going to want to do is go up to sources, and where the plus icon is, it'll say add new source to your scene. You're going to click that, and it's going to bring up a window with different widgets and different things that you can add to your scene. So for example, over on the widget side, if you want to add like a follower goal or like a donation goal, And then, like I said, your webcam is also going to be found in here under video capture device. You're going to hit that and hit add source and locate that. As well with your mic, that'll be under audio input capture. Now, depending on how you play your game, if you're playing in a windowed mode, you'll actually go to window capture and then find the exact window that you're going to want to be capturing. Or if you're going full screen, you can do a display capture. Now that everything is set up, the last thing that we have to do is hit the go live button. And when that pulls up, all you're going to want to be doing is adding a title to what you're going to be streaming, the game that you're going to be selecting to stream so it's easier for them to find you, as well as any relevant tags. So links for all of these will be down in the description for everything that you do need. And if you did enjoy this video, definitely subscribe for upcoming content. Have a great day. Bye.